be asked by all judicial officers is whether I have jurisdiction to handle this objection without the charges having been read to me. Without referring to any authorities, jurisdiction is the first thing a court must handle. But considering the application before me, all counsels whose accused have not taken plea insisted to be heard, and I humbly obliged. I listened to the able submissions to counsels from both sides, which were eloquent and deserved. The complaint was about an article in the Star today, the 4th of April, 2019. I will thank you for appearing before me today. However, the truth must be told. Applications such as this should strictly be made during a trial. Counsel argued that trial starts with plea taking. In the current scenario, plea has not been taken. My Bible tells me a good judge is a judge who listens to both sides and then decides. I have not listened to the case to be abused of bias. I have not heard the case. However, be that as it may, considering my training, experience, and knowledge about the subject matter at hand, I will give my ruling. Mr. Nyamodi read almost all through the article complained of, and I need not repeat. What was attacked was my fairness in handling this matter. Other counsel associated themselves with his submissions. The threshold of recusal is well known. It's either a judicial officer has a pecuniary interest or is related to any of the parties in a trial before you, and does not disclose such interest during the trial. The trial has not started. It was not demonstrated that I have either pecuniary interest in this matter or is related to any of the accused. I wish to confirm that I have neither of the above ingredients, and I have no other interest other than to dispense justice as enshrined in our Constitution. It was argued that, unfortunately for our judiciary in Kenya, nobody can speak for our behalf. That may be true. However, the same Bible I read tells me that the truth shall set one free. I will not elaborate. Let the parties not fear that I hold any likelihood or suspicion of bias in this case. I do not intend to hold any. As I deliver this ruling, my independence is very clear in my mind. I have no other interest than delivering justice by respecting the law as it is. I need not say so much. I will never, ever cling to a matter where parties express very strong sentiments about the biasness of the court. The counsels for the defense argued very passionately, and I could see it on their faces. I respect myself. I am just the head of the Anti-Corruption Court in Milimani. There are other able, competent judicial officers who can handle this matter. Apparently, the counsels and other accused are not comfortable with this court taking plea. Hence, from the initial stage, I have consulted my conscience, and it advises me not to handle any other issue concerning this matter, lest the accusations before me will continue unrelentlessly. I direct that this plea be deferred. The matter is allocated to Honorable L.N. Mugambi, Chief Magistrate, for purpose of taking plea tomorrow, 5th of April 2019 at 9 a.m. Counsel will get a record of the proceedings today upon payment of requisite fee. The accused shall be remanded in custody pending plea taking tomorrow. That is my reading.
We must oblige you.
Can we adjourn?